At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a hair product business can be exciting and rewarding, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the market demand for hair products. Identify your target audience, their preferences, and their pain points. Research your competitors to see what products they offer and how you can differentiate yours. 2. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, product offerings, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plan in a comprehensive business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you secure funding if needed. 3. Choose your niche. Hair products cover a wide range, including shampoo, conditioner, styling products, treatments, and more. Decide on the specific niche you want to focus on, considering factors such as customer needs, competition, and your expertise. 4. Formulate your products. If you're creating your own hair products, work with a cosmetic chemist to develop formulas that meet quality standards and address your target customers' needs. Ensure that your products are safe, effective, and comply with regulations. 5. Source suppliers. Find reliable suppliers for raw materials and packaging materials. Negotiate prices and terms to ensure cost-effectiveness and quality. 6. Brand development. Create a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. This includes designing a logo, packaging, and labeling that reflect your brand values and differentiate your products from competitors. 7. Set up your online presence. Build a professional website where customers can learn about your products, make purchases, and contact you. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. 8. Distribution channels. Decide how you will distribute your products. Options include selling directly to consumers through your website, partnering with retailers, or utilizing online marketplaces. Consider the most cost-effective and efficient distribution channels for your business. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to raise awareness and drive sales. This may include digital marketing tactics such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, content marketing, and email campaigns. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract customers. 10. Compliance and regulations. Ensure that your products comply with all relevant regulations and standards for cosmetics. This includes ingredient labeling, product testing, and compliance with industry regulations such as the FDA in the United States or the EU Cosmetics Regulation in Europe. 11. Launch your products. Plan a launch strategy to create buzz around your products. Consider hosting a launch event, collaborating with influencers, or offering exclusive promotions to generate excitement and drive sales. 12. Customer service and feedback. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Encourage customers to provide feedback on your products and use their insights to continuously improve and refine your offerings. Starting a hair product business requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance. Stay adaptable and willing to learn from both successes and failures as you grow your business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.